folks, this is Brian Thompson, Internet Manager at the all-new Butler Auto Direct, and there's two cars that I wanted to show you. Hey folks, you looking for some inexpensive transportation that won't kill you at the gas pump? You might want to consider this 2006 Chevy Colorado that we have. It comes with the 2.8 liter engine in it. Tires are in excellent condition. The vehicle has cruise control, AM/FM stereo, 60/40 split bench in the front seat. Comes with the auto lamps. Also has vinyl flooring on it. Open up so you can take a look at the inside. Very, very clean. Well taken care of truck. Get to the back, bunch of room back there for you if you need to store some stuff. This vehicle is in excellent condition. It only has 78,000 miles on it. You can see the vehicle at www.butlerautodirect.com. That's butlerautodirect.com. Thanks folks, and have a great day.